Hi, it's Rob. We've got to video number 2 on the IFTTT and social media setup course. And it's an introduction of sorts. It's what is social media and why do I need it? Okay, now I'm going to try and keep this very, very simple. Social media, obviously, I don't really need to explain to you. It's sites like Facebook and Pinterest. But if you are really, really, really brand new, then it's basically free to the public social kind of sites where you collect together and you share videos, jokes, memes, and you basically kind of interact. Now, people gather there and communicate via images, text, audio, and video. I guess this sort of thing will get fixed up with my editing or not. I'm not too good at editing and spelling. The real reason you need social media is 2 reasons. You need for the eyeballs and exposure. In other words, sorry, just a quick interruption of myself here. Social media is often perceived by the public, Joe Soap out there, Jane Doe, whoever they are. They think social media is this free place that somebody very kindly built for them so they can go and chat to their friends. Facebook is obviously the biggest example of this. Where they can go and chat and share things and generally interact and enjoy themselves, make jokes. And in truth, Facebook is an advertising business. So that's how they make the income. They're not there for your pleasure. They obviously want you to have fun and enjoy yourself so that you keep coming back. But ultimately, the income comes from advertising fees. So remember, next time you think, Facebook stops my friends seeing all my image thing. Really? You got to go and tag them on it if you want them to see it. Social media is not for the public, and yet it is. So the fact is people are using it. So in other words, if you're going to go there from a business point of view, you will get eyeballs and exposure, whether you're paying for that traffic or whether you've put it together in such a clever way that people are sharing it and it's going viral or gaining momentum, etc. from that, okay? For me, the main reason, if I'm not using it to get eyeballs and exposure, which I do that in a big way too, but for the main reason I use it and have used it for most of my years is to simply get noticed by the search engines. Indexing is where Google sees a link to your site, follows the link, in other words, Google clicks it itself, comes to your page and looks around and thinks, oh, okay, oh, look over there, oh, light fittings, oh, window, oh, the floor, okay, this post is about a room. And then it files it in its memory and goes away. Next time somebody says, what does a room look like? Google remembers, hey, Rob's got this page on a room. What does a room look like? So that's it. That's what the whole point of indexing is for. So that's social media and why you need it. The really hard part, or the not hard part, if you like, what you've actually got to think about is 2 things. You've got to set up your social media profiles properly so that you're getting benefit from this. Because social media will index your profile too and find your linking, okay? So you've got to get that correct. And at the same time, you've got to be active on the social media sites that work for your business and aren't there because you just think toy trains are so cool. And so now you're in a toy train forum playing and not getting anywhere. Damn, I better mention forums. Sharing tools somewhere in here. I better do forums. I suppose in the other. I'm going to just sneak this in here because a forum is a dead thing. Sorry if you have to watch me learning to spell. Okay, so that's it. My bad. Whoa. So, eyeballs and exposure, the correct choice of social media that you need it for, and then the indexing. I'm going to suggest in this course that you also build out some that you don't use regularly. But I'll show what I'm talking about as we get along in this. Cool. I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers.